FountainFX on Thursday the 31st of July 2014. As you can hear, I'm recovering from the flu, so that's the reason why we haven't been blogging for the last 2-3 days, purely because you wouldn't have got a lot out of me. My voice had virtually gone as well. So anyway, so I'm back to normal, hopefully, on the mend. So we're just going to quickly do a quick analysis of the US dollar against the South African rand, and then we'll call it quits for the day, and we'll catch you tomorrow. As we can see, South African rand US dollar is in an uptrend, and at this point here is where we had the 0.25% rate hike for the South African rand. It did call a small pullback, sort of halted this uptrend, but it's really all it's done is just cause price to pull back to the long-term trend line, uptrend there. So if we zoom down into a smaller time frame, we can now see that this is where the interest rate hike happened, and then price fell quite significantly. It was a nice fall, very nice trend. We then got a double bottom formation here, so area support down here at the low of the 10.49, and then price has since then rallied up, so we're running along this trend line here quite nicely. So a potential buy order maybe if price pulls back down to this area support from previously along here, but also if it happens to be at a point where price touches on the trend line as well, so then that would be a nice confirmation or confluence of price and trend lines, etc., to then confirm a buy order at this point, which would be the 10.6570, I think it is. So around about there you go, 10.6567. There you go. And a buy order at that would be valid, and we can then see price go in the opposite direction. The alternative is, if you're a bit cautious, we can run a counter trend line from here down to here, and when we see the break of this trend line, then we can see it as an opportunity. When price breaks above this trend line here, then we have got confirmation that it does want to go in the opposite direction. So price is pulling back down. Oh look, and we've got this star apparent here, so we should be looking at the break around about this point. Having run this counter trend line, we've got support, and we've also got the major trend line running up. So we are looking at a buy order around here at the 10.6567, and there you go, we've got three areas of confluence. So that's probably pretty much a good or a highly probable trade. We shall see. Price can always dumbfound us and catch us out, but that's the opportunity today on the US dollar South African rand. And happy trading from FountainFX. All the best. Bye bye.